Erica, and it's been 5 months since my last video. As you can see, I did have my son, and video. One thing I realized just 2 weeks into this is that I do not have time to do my hair. Like, me washing and straightening my hair today was the first time I've done it in like 2 months, so I'm going to cut it myself. Okay, so the best method that I've seen that works on YouTube is making 2 ponytails and cutting it. This is how long my hair is right now. It's pretty damaged from bleaching and stuff, so that's one of the main reasons why I want to cut it. This actually even looks longer than I want it to be, but gotta start off small. So what I did is my front pieces I pulled out so that they're kind of loose, because when people cut it, normally that part's like short and then they have to even it out to those pieces, so that's why these pieces are like loose and these pieces are like pulled tight. I made it a little bit shorter, I think. It kind of looks the same, but I made it a little bit shorter. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I guess I'll talk about my son. His name is Jax. I had him on August 28th. He was due the 30th. I went to my doctor's appointment and got like a pelvic exam, and I was already 6 centimeters dilated. I had no idea. I'm trying to talk to distract myself. But yeah, he was 5 pounds 14 ounces, so he was a small baby. I'm nervous because my boyfriend doesn't want me to cut my hair. Well, he doesn't care. Well, he cares, but it's not like he said don't do it. He just would prefer me not to, but I'm gonna do it anyways. If it's uneven, I'm gonna have my mom even it out for me. Okay, here I go, here I go, here I go. These scissors aren't really like, okay. So I tried to commit to it, but these scissors aren't even good, so, I should have known these weren't gonna work. We don't have actual like hair shears. Okay, I found my nephew's scissors that have paint on them, but whatever. I feel like they're gonna get a better cut going. So here we go. I always wanted to cut. Okay, I started. I'm cutting it. You know, watching YouTube videos really gasses you up, because I feel like I wouldn't do this if I didn't just watch so many people do this. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, okay. So, oh, okay. So yeah, it, it feels so short when I do this. Okay, so here's 1/2 of it. Yeah, this is, okay. This is like hard because it's my left hand, but I feel like if I cut it this way, I'm gonna get like the wrong kind of angle, and it's not gonna match this side. I don't know. There's no going back now, whatever. I've been wanting to do this. I got scared that I wasn't recording for a second. Okay. Oh, okay. That's okay.
I'm Jeff Vaughn. Tonight on KCON 9 News at 10. Is President Trump really taking on LA's homeless crisis? What we're learning tonight about the plan and mayor's reaction. And back in Southern California, former reality
Do I look like a mom? I don't know.
years in a Mexican prison for killing his wife.
Yeah, so here's my comeback video 5 months later, me chopping up my hair. I'll give you guys more update. I'm gonna have my mom even it out because I'm pretty sure it's not even in the back, but yeah, I did it. I'm bald headed. So yeah, thanks for watching me kind of have a mental breakdown, not like a mental breakdown, kind of like a midlife new mom crisis. Okay, so it's actually like a week later because the baby started to cry that day, and then I stopped filming, and here we are, a week later. So this is what it looks like. I actually really like it, and my mom evened it out for me. This is how I've been wearing it, kind of parted to the side just because my bangs are still growing out. So once they're grown out more, I think I'll go back to the middle part. But yeah, I didn't botch myself too bad. So I really like the change. I've always wanted to cut my hair, but I've been too scared. I really like it though. So yeah, I should be updating more videos soon. I am moving into a new house, more videos. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see. I think I'm going to just grow out this color because it lets me know what's like new and what's damaged, but then I also want to go completely blonde again, which kind of will defeat the purpose of me cutting it since I was trying to cut off the damage, but I don't know, we'll see. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.